I just built this today, and I'm having fun with it. It's a styrofoam cutter, and so I'll just demonstrate quickly how it works. So, got a little makeshift fence here, but I guess that will work okay. So, clean cut. Oh yeah, I want to show you something else. Let me pause this. So I made it so that it angles over. Oops, sorry. I was watching what I was doing. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Or, I mean, you know, when I'm watching the camera. Anyway, so oops. So there you go. You see, cut angles, and then I can just pretty easily just straighten it up. We've got a line on there so that I know when it's straight. Ooh, it's not good. It's burning my fence. Okay, well, that's what I built today. Oh yeah, I'm running it off of my 12-volt truck battery. I have to maybe figure out a power supply for it, but yeah, it seems to be working pretty good.